guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix an error occurred while printing. Error in Windows 10. If you've encountered an error message, an error occurred while printing while trying to print important documents, can be a frustrating experience. For today's video, we will walk you through effective troubleshooting methods to resolve an error occurred while printing error and get your printer back up and running smoothly again. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to update Windows. Updating Windows addressed potential bugs, compatibility issues, and security vulnerabilities that may be causing an error occurred while printing error in Windows 10, as well as improved compatibility and enhanced security measures, all of which contributed to resolving an error occurred while printing. First, press the Windows key or Start button. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now, select Update and Security, then click the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If there is an available update, click Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Next, restart computer. Check if the error message has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to run Printer Troubleshooter. By running the Printer Troubleshooter, you can quickly diagnose and fix common printing problems, including an error occurred while printing error. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings Windows, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at the left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Printer. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. The Printer Troubleshooter will now search for problems. Select your printer from the list of options you want to troubleshoot. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the troubleshooter window, check if the error message has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to update printer drivers. Updating printer drivers ensures the computer has the latest and compatible software for printer hardware. Updating also helps address several issues that may be causing printer errors to occur. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Get Device Manager. Click Printer to expand it. Right-click on your printer and click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are installed, click Close to exit. Check if the error message has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. If updating did not help, try reinstalling Printer Driver. By reinstalling the printer driver, you can address driver-related issues, restore functionality, and ensure optimal compatibility between your printer and Windows 10. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type devmgmt.msce and press Enter at Device Manager. Click Printer to expand it. Right-click on your printer and click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for Uninstall process to complete. Next, restart computer. After computer reboots, drivers will automatically install. Check if the error message has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. Now, the next solution is to uninstall recent Windows update. Uninstalling the most recent Windows update rolls back the system from a state before the update was installed. There were instances when a recent Windows update caused conflicts with the printing, causing the error to occur. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type Control and press Enter. Make sure View By is set to large or small icons. Next, locate and click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates at the left pane. Select the recent Windows update at the right pane and click Uninstall tab. Wait for Uninstall process to complete. Check if the error message has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. Another solution is to restart the Printer Spooler service. Restarting the Printer Spooler service addresses any issues related to the print queue and the communication between your computer and the printer. Restarting the Printer Spooler service can help resolve an error occurred while printing error in Windows 10 PC. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. At the Run dialog box, type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and locate Print Spooler service. Right-click on the service and then select Restart. Then right-click on the service and select Properties. At the Properties window, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to confirm and exit. Check if the error message has been resolved, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.